Good morning. Today we're going to talk about the slope of a line. Now, slope is simply how much the line runs under how much it rises. Let's look at a couple of examples. Example number 1, as you can see, rises up and to the right. Now, I usually pick 2 points that I can see that are on the line, and I connect those using a right triangle. To try to figure out how much this line runs, I count to the right, 5, and then I'm going to count the rise, which in this case was 8. You can see there again, we have run of 5 and rise of 8. Now let's plug that into the slope formula. Remember, slope is run under rise. And slope is denoted with an M. In other words, M represents slope. I have no idea why. But let's put in the run, which is 5, and put in the rise, which is 8. And there you have it. And we're going to leave that as an improper fraction to show that it rises 8 every time it runs 5. Here's another example. Example 2. This one actually looks like it goes down from left to right. We're going to connect our 2 points that we found on the line with a right triangle. And it's going to run, oh my, this one runs to the left. It's going to run a negative 8. And then it's going to rise, I believe that was a 7. So since it went to the left, it was a negative 8, and then it rose 7. And again, we'll put this into our slope formula, and slope is run under a rise, and slope has the letter M, and that means slope, M, slope. And it ran negative 8, and it rose 7. So the slope is negative 7/8. That's another way to write 7 over negative 8 is negative 7/8. Now, you are going to see this later on in life when you take some science classes, when you're talking about rate of change, like miles per hour, and that's simply the change in the dependent variable divided by the change in the independent variable. It's just slope.